Hello, welcome back. Let's reduce the noise in this image in Photoshop. Here I have this picture of raindrops. I set the shutter speed to a high amount, and then as a result, I have to increase my ISO level, and then it will create this noise. We don't want this. We want to reduce the noise. All you have to do now is to right click on the background layer and then click on duplicate layer and then click on OK, and then go to filter, noise, reduce noise. To reduce the noise, set the strength to 10 and reduce color noise to 88 is enough, and then click on OK. We've reduced some part of the noise, but we need to, do some more tweaks so that the noise is entirely reduced. I head over to blur, surface blur, and then I set the radius to, let's say, 4. Then the threshold to, let's say, 6. Click on OK. And then I head over to filter, sharpen, and then smart sharpen so that it's sharpened. Set the amount to, let's say, this. Then the reduce noise to this, and then click on OK. You're done reducing the noise in this picture. But if you don't want to add some sharpness into your image, you simply use the reduce noise option only. That's how you can reduce noise of this image in Photoshop before, after. Thank you for watching. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.